Hey guys, it's your girl Domo and I'm back to bring you guys another video. So before we get into the video, hit that subscribe button to help your girl out, because you already came to watch my video. Like, you're here, so why not just subscribe so you come back every time I upload a video? It only makes sense, but all right. So from the thumbnail, you guys already know we have the Van Old Schools, and these are from the Disarray pack. I actually lucked up on these because I saw them on Kids Foot Locker and they were having a sale. So the retail on these are $60, but I paid below retail for shipping, for tax, and for the sneakers I paid about $53 for them, so it was a little steal for me, so I had to pick these up. So I just took out one of the sneakers, and this is fire. Like, I love this. Okay, so the sneaker, it comes with a pair of white laces already in them. Then Vans decided to give us the extra. They gave us the black and white striped shoelaces. They gave us the black laces, and then they gave us the yellow laces. So you get a total of 4 pairs of laces with this one pair of sneakers. Like, that's fire. Let's get into these sneakers. So the toe box, I love this toe box. It's super suede-y, and the black on these are like a rich black. Like, it's black. You know, there's a lot of sneakers that have black on it, but they look kind of ashy, like gray. But no, these are a true black, like black. And I love that. Then you go up to the lace holders, which are yellow, this like canary yellow. The tongue is black. You got the hint of green outlining all around the tongue. Then you get to the super duper wild, crazy patterns on this. You see, I'm not sure if it'll focus, but the stripes on these are super fine. You have the stripes right there. Then you have the checkerboard right here. You have the little peep of the stripes right here. I think that's super cute with the little magenta. And then you have this strip going all around the sneakers that stay off the wall. Like, it goes all the way around. Aren't the plain Jane sneakers. These are the attention grabbers. These are the, you're gonna look at these because they're, number one, they're bright. Number two, they have a whole bunch of patterns on them. And number three, they're fly. So you're gonna pay attention. We're going into the fall time. I could still rock these. Like, I could rock these with this shirt. That would be super cute with a black pair of jeans. Like, it's endless with these. These are the Vans Old Schools from the Disarray pack, and I got them in a size 6 in kids from Kids Foot Locker, so I'll link them down below so you guys can pick these up. But they're super fire. Like, they look beautiful on camera and they're beautiful in person. So again, I'll put them down below for you guys to pick these up. Oh, these are so pretty. But as always, I just want to thank you guys for tuning into my unboxing video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So make sure, again, make sure you right there. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll be up to date with all my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, you already know. Peace out.